Tired of e-commerce sourcing nightmares? Let's settle the Joyabuy vs Dhgate showdown to see which reigns supreme for your online business. First up, Joyabuy. Think of them as your personal sourcing assistant. They specialize in helping you find products from Taobao and 1688, which aren't directly accessible to everyone. They handle everything from product sourcing and quality checks to consolidation and shipping. Now, let's talk Dhgate. This is a marketplace, like Alibaba, connecting you directly with suppliers. You'll find a massive product selection at wholesale prices, but you're responsible for quality control, negotiating prices, and arranging shipping. Joyabuy's key advantage is their comprehensive service. They take on the heavy lifting. Dhgate puts the onus on you to vet suppliers and manage the logistics, which can be time-consuming. Price-wise, Dhgate often seems cheaper upfront. But remember, Joyabuy's fees cover services that could save you money in the long run by avoiding scams, damaged goods, and shipping headaches. Consider the total cost, including your time. Dhgate boasts a massive product range. You can find almost anything here. Joyabuy's access to Taobao and 1688 opens up a whole different world of unique and diverse products, especially appealing if you want to stand out from the competition. So, who wins? If you're new to sourcing, value time savings and quality control, Joyabuy is a great bet. If you're budget-conscious, experienced with sourcing, and comfortable managing the process yourself, Dhgate might be a better fit. The best choice depends on your business needs and risk tolerance. Make sure you carefully weigh the pros and cons to make the right decision for your e-commerce store.